Hi everyone, this is Valerie and this is one more video from Dashly team about marketing. But this time we are going to speak about product marketing, actually product marketing management. Before I start sharing the precious information with you, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave the comments and don't forget to put likes for this video. Your support is really much needed and highly appreciated. So you have a SaaS product and you have different teams working on this product. You have product team, you have marketing team, you have sales team, you have support team, etc. But sometimes the teams cannot find the communication between each other. Like really, they do not understand what languages they are speaking. And that's where product marketing is needed. Product marketing is a person, well, sometimes a team, that is somewhere on the border between the product team and the marketing team. Well, product marketing helps these teams communicate with each other. Like product team is going to deliver the marketing information to the users using the marketing terms and marketing communication, and the marketing team is going to deliver the information about the products, and the person for the exchange of this information is product marketing. So product marketing is actually covering few of the very important processes of your product. Well, first of all, that is definitely the research stage. The research may be connected with the possible new feature release or the improvement of the current version or the improvement of the feature, right? So any type of research that is connected with the success of your customers and of course the monetization of your products. One more important step in the evolution of your product that is covered by the product marketing is getting feedback from your users. So product marketing knows exactly what and when and where to ask your users. And definitely this type of feedback is then passed to the product team. Product marketing is also responsible for the beta testing of your product. Well, I don't mean that the product team gives the beta version to the product marketing, they play with it and then give it back. No, definitely not. So product marketing is going to interact with the alpha users, for example, or they're also going to communicate with the potential customers or run some testings, for example, UX testings or whatever. But the beta version is going to be polished with the help of the product marketing team. And finally, product marketing is also hugely focused on the release of a new feature. No, these are not the people who just write the information about the new release on an app store. No, product marketing is actually leading the product release from the very first step, that is the idea step, to the final point where you tell your users about the new feature or the improvements of the feature. All right, enough with the theory. I'm going to give you some story from the life of Dashly team, product marketing of Dashly. I'm going to tell you a story how we released Leadbot, a really cool feature of Dashly. The idea of a Leadbot was going in our team for quite many months. And finally, product marketing decided to take the initiative and started the research stage for the Leadbot. And that's how the research stage started. So the product marketing collected all the requests from the users, analyzed it, and also ran few of the interviews with the users who left that type of request. Like they wanted a Leadbot, and product marketing came to the users who wanted that and ran an interview using a special script to get the real need and the real request from the users. And of course, they also invited people to run this type of interview. Indeed, when it comes to research, it is not only important to check the requests from the users, right? It is also important to know your competitors and create a product or create a feature that is for sure differs from the ones that competitors have. And that's where product marketing works really closely with the product managers. So product marketing checks the new possible feature from the marketing perspective, while the product managers check the implementation of it and also how a new feature can be integrated smoothly into the product. So after the research is done, the product marketing gets the list of the jobs that are going to be achieved by the possible customers with the help of this feature. And also they measured the interest from the audience. And at this step, it is also hugely important to get early adopters of the feature. You're going to have a list of those who is actually waiting for the feature to be released. Actually, speaking about the competitors' research, right? Hugely important stage. Well, as I told you, this stage is not worked alone by the product marketing. The product managers are also very deep into this process. So the product marketing is actually checking how the product can be positioned on the market, at what price, who is the target audience, what messages they're waiting from you. While the product manager is actually checking how the feature can be added into the product, how smoothly the onboarding process should be, what buttons should be added, yeah, like all the details. That is also very much connected with the design stage, right? So the product marketing plus product manager is working very, very intensively on this, but still they always do it together to get the perfect result and 100% assurance that the feature must be added into the product. Well, speaking about the Leadbot, we were also very much focused on two things: the naming and the pricing. Well, the feature was not totally new to the market, but still we wanted to distinguish along the competitors and create something, well, unique for us. And that was a major feature release for our team, so we wanted it to be on top. Well, naming was the key thing here, and we considered quite many options, but finally the Leadbot was the perfect one. The market has a lot of chatbots, right? But the Leadbot is something different. And actually, speaking about the chatbot and Leadbot, you can understand that Leadbot actually does a bit different job for the final customer. The pricing also took some time, and it involved the research of the competitors, also the tests with the sales team, and the value that users get with this module. Yeah, Leadbot is a module. So in this video, we've checked these stages covered by product marketing team. This video was mostly about theory, and we're not going to leave you without practice. Wait for the next video where we're going to speak about each and every part of this line and about practice of it. Wait for it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you. Is that what you mean? Yes? No, I have a totally different idea. Again, we are arguing about the terminology. Like, product marketing is not something universally accepted, and each team has a different understanding of product marketing. What is yours? Please share in comments.